Massive welcome back to the channel, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button if you like this sort of content. Thank you. So as you can see, we're getting straight into this week's video. We're just undoing the driver's front wheel. We're going to see what's causing this wheel to be out the line. And as you see, when the wheel comes off, we've got a bent inner steering rack arm. So that's going to have to be replaced. There it is, guys. So what we're doing here, we just got a big pair of still sends on this track rod end because we've tried to undo him, but he's just spinning now. So we just put a little bit of pressure on the downside of him, and as you see, she comes straight off. Nice and easy, no messing about. Just a few light taps with a copper hammer. Just gets it out, nice and easy. So we're just unwinding it now, guys. As you can see from the video, look how bent that is. That was causing, 100% that's what was causing our problem of the wheel being out of line. So as you can see, we're just screwing the new one on. That's how it should look, nice and straight, guys. And we're just getting the tool ready now, just to wrap around him, tighten the tool up, just so we can tighten this steering rack up. Those of you interested, I will put a link in the description, and I will also insert a picture of this tool. So as you can see now, we're just tightening him up. This is a great tool, guys. This was recommended to me by Leon at Reviving Salvage. So cheers for that, mate. If you've ever done one of these, guys, it's hard enough, but trying to film in as well. So as you can see, the gate is all back on it tidy. So we're just going to twist the track rod end on now. Also not forgetting the locking nut to tighten the actual track rod end up. As you can see, we're just screwing the track rod on now. This is just a guesstimate. Obviously, we need to take it to tracking now. So when she goes in for MOT, I'll get the guys to put it on the ramp, and we'll have all the four-wheel tracking done on him. So don't worry about that. So now we're just sitting it right, pushing it, put a bit of pressure on him, putting the nut on him, and then tightening him up. And basically that's it. That's done. Last little job now is put the wheel back on and then drop the jack. So as you can see, I'm just undoing the 4 bolts on the top just to get this bumper off, as I need to replace the lower crash bar, also the washer jet bottle, because that's the only bit of damage that I thought I had. I have found hidden damage, which I'll show you later on in this video. So as you can see by watching the video, guys, you'll notice that it is 2 of us. The guy that's down by the front wheel, that's my mate Nathan, so big thank you to Nathan for giving me a hand while I'm taking the bumper off. So as you can see, I'm just taking what's left of the front crash bar. It was a lot more than this, but I snapped it off when I removed the front bar the first time in the first video. Real simple to get off these. It's just 4 bolts and a guide nut. This time I'm doing now, and she just pulls away. Do the same for the other side. Job done. So now as we're taking this off, you'll see that we found a little bit of hidden damage. The bottom AC hose that goes into the AC condenser has snapped. So I'm hoping this is a picture of the one I need. It'll undo where that black connector is. And guys, if you know, drop it down in the comments below. It'd be a great help. But if not, I'll have to replace the whole line. It does go around the back of the engine. It does look like a little bit of a pig of a job, but that's something we'll have to address. Alright guys, just as I was doing that, I didn't have no time to put the crash bar on. My phone rang. It was the painter. He wanted that car as soon as possible, so I gave it a quick bath, as you can see with the dirt on the floor. It's been extracted by the foam, but she's come up really, really well. I'm really happy. So hopefully guys, by the time you see this car, it'll all be one colour. But thanks again guys for watching. Please smash the subscribe button, turn on the bell notifications, and don't forget to like the video. I'll see you on the next one. Ta-ra and take care.